What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, I have a business slash cryptocurrency project that I want to bring your way. And whenever you hear that, you think use case. You think of a reason to own this position and a connection to some sort of business. Because honestly, the conversations that I have with a lot of the more traditionalists in investing have always said, why do you talk about cryptocurrency? What is it about cryptocurrency that really speaks to you? Because to them, cryptocurrency is something that doesn't really have anything tangible that's attached to it, right? When you talk about businesses and the sale of products, it's based on what people are going to pay for the product, based on the overall business as well, and the function of the business and how they're spending their money, and how they're getting in this revenue and what they're spending on the back end, how much debts they're taking in, all these different things. Like, me and my brother-in-law were having a conversation on whether Netflix is actually a great company, and I know this is kind of going off topic, but Netflix has a crazy amount of debts, but then they're making money every single year. So honestly, as long as the money that they're making supersedes the debt payment or the interest payments that they have on the debt, then it doesn't matter. They can continue to build debt, but then if that debt catches up, it's a problem, right? So the point is that you have something tangible attached to it, and that's why some people are kind of reluctant to invest into cryptocurrency, kind of resisting investing in cryptocurrency, because it's not all of it has something physical attached to it. It's about the use of it, and that's kind of how I have to explain it. It's like not all of it is based on a product sale. It's based on the use of that cryptocurrency to essentially buy these products, right? You wouldn't say the dollar is worthless because you're not necessarily using the dollar as a business. No, you're utilizing that dollar to purchase within different businesses. Anyways, we have a project to bring to the table, which is Chooky, and hopefully I'm saying that right, or Chooky Records. And um, honestly, it has an interesting concept, and also when you talk about the token release and potential token release, right? That's where you can get a lot of interest that's building up here. So I want to talk about this project. If you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you could check out some of the links down below for Chooky, feel free to check that out. I'll provide all of those down at the top of the description. And don't forget about my Margex link if you guys want to sign up for Margex. Now, just to go into a little bit of a breakdown on what they're all about, right? That's kind of what everybody wants to know. Introducing the initiative or innovative Chooky Records, a gateway to your exclusive share in the music industry. We release songs with high-profile artists, each with its own NFT. These NFTs are not just a digital item, it's your ticket to a lifetime connection with the songs and the artists you love. Artists benefit from the higher royalty share than they get from traditional music labels, while Chooky Records gives them the freedom to release music as they wish and not forcing them. Step into the realm where you become an integral part of the music creation process. Chooky Records will mirror the success stories of industry giants like Def Jam and Sony Records. Chooky Records offers you the chance to invest in your favorite songs and artists, aligning your successes with theirs. So when I look at this and understand this, like, you have a connection there, not only with the NFT side, but you're looking at a true like business and the competition to build on the business side as well as the blockchain side, right? So people that are very interested in things like maybe bigger entertainment, I feel like that's a kind of competitor in a way. Um, and how much hype and how much attention, how much belief is behind that. And you could see the same thing here, if not much more. Now, the songs that they have had a feature with Busta Rhymes that apparently received 1.55 million streams and had over 100K in revenue that has been earned. So there's potential here within this position or within this business as well as project. Now, Apple Music and Ticketmaster partnership, they have had that, which I will scroll down and you'll see that, right? You'll see the Ticketmaster partnership and who they're partnered with, which is always a big deal to have big names joining the prestigious Apple partners, right? So take that however you want to take it. You also have a Hulu sponsorship deal. They have a Floki partnership, which brings them more into the crypto realm for those first levels. I mean, you're talking about NFTs that really bring you into the crypto realm, but a Floki partnership and IDO on TokenFi's RWA launchpad on the 21st, which is in 3 days. Fully marketplace release planned for TGE. TGE will be mid to late June. The starting market cap will be $3 million. And obviously the hopes is to grow a lot more from there. Now, to get into maybe a little bit of detail when it comes to that specifically, when it comes to the token distribution and information, right now it's to be announced, but it will be a base project from what I'm understanding. This is all public information. If you go on their website and you go down here all the way down to the bottom and you look at white paper, you'll be able to find their information for the token there. But it's a base coin. You'll have the ticker symbol CHOO, contract address to be announced, which you have 18 decimal points. You have max wallets 2%, max transactions 2%, token distribution. You have CEX 6%, marketing 8.3%, ecosystem will be 5%, advisors 5%, team 7%, community 28%, IDO 7.6%, strategic sales 7.6%, seed is 11.4%, liquidity is 3% there. So again, you have the connection to a business. You have the NFTs as a connection to the blockchain. You have the potential token that is connected to that as well. I just want to see if any information or anything is held out there. Because right now, as I go into Chooky, right now you just have the information for is it Chooky? Chooky. That's sitting out there for a coin market cap. That is Chooky there. So it's interesting. I don't know as to all the information behind that specifically, but when we do see that, that we're going to have that connection to a business that has popularity, that's making money, that's worth so many millions of dollars, and then be able to transition that into the crypto space, right? As well as the NFT space and just the blockchain in general. So let me know what you guys are thinking about this, right? I was interested when I saw it, when I heard about it. It instantly brought kind of a connection to other projects in the crypto space. But being able to have a song with Busta Rhymes, being able to have 1.55 million streams, being able to have $100,000 off of just that song alone, is phenomenal. It shows the level of potential that this could have. So definitely check out all the links. Join their Telegram. Check out their Twitter if you can, which their Twitter is standing right here, which they have 13.1 thousand followers here. You can go and check out their Twitter and you'll get the different you'll be able to figure out what's going on, things that they have that's new, partnerships that they end up making. So feel free to, again, go and check out those links down below. I'll provide them all. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you again for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.